Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, the go-to channel for simple and effective solutions to common health issues. Today, we're tackling a concern many parents face: how to handle vomiting in a 3-year-old. Stay tuned because I've got a natural remedy that you won't want to miss. Stomach bugs are never fun, especially when they hit our little ones. Watching your toddler vomit repeatedly can make any parent feel helpless. When a 3-year-old starts throwing up, staying calm is key, and trying simple home remedies may do the trick. As a mother of 2 young kids, I've been through my share of middle-of-the-night vomit sessions. Over time, I've learned a few natural ways to soothe an upset stomach fast and stop the puking with things around the house. First things first, sickness often leads to dehydration, so it's vital to give small sips of liquid frequently. Allow your child's stomach to rest between sips. A few teaspoons every 5 minutes should do it. Plain water is fine, but you can also brew a mild mint or ginger tea which can ease nausea. Give it to them cold or at room temperature. Too much too fast may aggravate the vomiting. Stick to a tablespoon at a time. Ginger on its own can work wonders for quelling vomiting of all kinds. You can make ginger water by grating a little fresh ginger root into boiled water. Or simply let them suck or chew on some ginger candy. The compounds in ginger root truly can settle an upset tummy. Lemon works the same way. Have them slowly lick a lemon wedge or squeeze some fresh lemon juice into cold water. And we all know honey tastes great, but it also coats the throat and can relieve vomiting. Mix just a teaspoon or less of honey into a mug of warm water or decaffeinated tea. Have them sip slowly. Too much honey may actually make diarrhea worse, though, during stomach flu. If vomiting continues more than 2 to 3 hours or your child shows signs of extreme lethargy, fever over 102 F, or lack of urine, call your pediatrician right away. But trying these natural home soothers first can often calm a toddler's stomach quickly and prevent the vicious cycle of nausea and puking in its tracks. Hope this gives you a few new natural tricks to add to your mommy arsenal when dealing with a stomach bug in little ones. Let me know in the comments below what home remedies have worked to stop your toddler's vomiting episodes. I can add more details on preparation, dosage or application method for any of these extra home remedies. Let me know if you need me to expand on any section or have additional ideas for lengthening the script. I'm happy to keep enhancing this until you have a video script you're fully satisfied with.